Instagram, how to appear offline. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can appear offline on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to appear offline on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you will see this type of interface where come to your profile page, tap the three lines option here. Now you might see this type of new interface, like previous ones is not there, but now you can see this type of interface. If you still see this, then don't worry, the process is pretty much the same. You can simply look for the option called messages and story replies here under how others can interact with you, and here you'll find the option called show activity status. Tap on it and make sure to turn these toggles off, and once you turn these toggles off, people will not be able to see your active status. As a result, you're going to appear offline. This way you can actually appear offline on Instagram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.